Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I will show you how you can get complete social media marketing plan in one click using ChatGPT. All right, so let's start. Okay, so first here you need to download an extension. So you can go to Chrome Web Store here, and in here you can type in AIPRM. All right, so here you can click on this one and you can add to Chrome. So once it's done, it is going to connect to your Chat GPT. So make sure you have an account with Chat GPT. If you don't have one, you can go to openai.com and you can create an account. You can also use your Google account to log in. All right, so here it is going to connect with your Chat GPT. So you can click on continue. Okay, so here once it connects to your Chat GPT, it will transform your Chat GPT into a different layout. Okay, just click on continue. And from these boxes here, you can see 30 social media posts and image suggestions with one click. All right, so let's click this one. All right, so here it is going to ask for a business name and a business type. So say for example, our company's name is VidEasy, for example, and you can say is a video production company. All right, so here ChatGPT gives you a sample of what you can post. It also includes the hashtags that you can use and also suggests an image for this post. So you can copy this post in your social platforms and look for an image that is suggested in here. All right, so that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.